Sometimes I wonder what I would do if I wasn't employed like I am right now. By the way, I have a lot of idle time right now, so I'm just kind of thinking about things. I always thought I would be excellent at the voiceover for a GPS system. You could listen to my dulcet tones gently guiding you to where you need to be. Imagine driving along, looking for exit 3B, and you see it pass you by. Whereas other GPS voiceovers would simply say, recalculating. I would take this approach. Now, look what you did there. You missed the exit. What did you think was going to happen? I told you about 3B, a smooth 5K ago, reminded you a kilometre ago to move over to the right so that you could exit in 3B. And did you listen? No, you never. Now you got to go to 5A, do a roundabout way, extra 20 minutes, and now you're going to be late. You're going to be late for your appointment. Now, all you had to do was listen to me, and I would have guided you down the right path. See? Very effective. Because you'd think twice about not listening to my voice as I guided you to your ultimate destination.